Modern cloud applications don't just need connectivity, they need intelligent traffic distribution, high availability, and secure application delivery at scale. In this session, we focus on one of the most important Microsoft AZ-700 domains: design and implement application delivery services. This video is built specifically for candidates preparing for the Designing and Implementing Microsoft Azure Networking Solutions exam. We want to provide clarity on Application Gateway, Azure Load Balancer, Traffic Manager, and front door design decisions. Today, we'll work through important practice questions that test real-world application delivery architecture, the exact type of scenario Microsoft expects you to master. In earlier videos, we covered core networking infrastructure and connectivity services. Now we move up the stack into application layer traffic management. Let's begin with our first exam-style scenario. A company needs to distribute TCP traffic across multiple back-end virtual machines. The solution must operate at layer 4 and provide high throughput with minimal latency. Which service should be deployed? A. Azure Application Gateway. B. Azure Front Door. C. Azure Load Balancer, Standard. D. Traffic Manager. Pause and think carefully about the layer 4 high throughput requirement. The correct answer is C, Azure Load Balancer, Standard. Azure Load Balancer operates at layer 4. Application Gateway and Front Door operate at layer 7, while Traffic Manager is DNS-based. Question 2. You need to distribute HTTP/HTTPS traffic and support SSL termination, path-based routing, and web application firewall protection. Which service should be implemented? A. Azure Load Balancer. B. Azure Application Gateway with WAF. C. Traffic Manager. D. Express Route. Take a moment to consider the best solution. The correct answer is B. Azure Application Gateway with WAF. Application Gateway operates at layer 7 and supports SSL offloading and WAF. Load Balancer doesn't inspect HTTP headers. Question 3. A company hosts a web application in multiple Azure regions. They require global HTTP load balancing, automatic failover, low latency routing, and WAF. Which solution should be implemented? A. Azure Traffic Manager. B. Azure Front Door. C. Azure Load Balancer. D. Site-to-site VPN. Pause here and choose your answer. The correct answer is B. Azure Front Door. Front Door is the choice here. Traffic Manager provides DNS-based routing, but doesn't offer Layer 7 acceleration or WAF integration natively. Question 4. You need to route users to different regional endpoints based on geographic location using DNS resolution. Which Azure service should you configure? A. Azure Front Door. B. Azure Traffic Manager, Geographic Routing. C. Azure Application Gateway. D. Azure Route Server. Think about the DNS layer requirement. The correct answer is B. Azure Traffic Manager with Geographic Routing. Traffic Manager operates at the DNS layer. It supports performance, geographic, priority, and weighted routing, unlike Front Door's HTTP processing. Platforms like PrepBolt Practice Questions help reinforce these architectural decisions. Today, we covered traffic distribution, global routing, and secure design. Stay consistent and keep building toward your certification. I'll see you in the next session where we cover monitoring and optimization.